What's up guys? Good morning. Abhi I'm feeling very excited because I felt those emotions which I used to feel when I was really small. Like people talk about happy hormones, right? So that thing didn't happen lately because of the hustle and bustle of life and whatever. But I'm feeling something which I can't explain and I'm feeling it very strongly. I think these are all those positive emotions. The wind was blowing crazy. The temperatures are also down. थोड़ी drizzling start हो गई है. That is why the birds have also stopped flying now. Amazing weather, very hill station vibes. I am feeling very grateful कि आज सुबह मैं जल्दी उठ गया, मैं बाहर आ गया, आके I was walking barefoot on the grass. I sat down and I meditated and I'm really happy that I actually was able to do that. Because see, meditation for me, I know it could be very cliche, but meditation for me is a form of instant pleasure, a form of pleasure which is not instant, and it's really beautiful after 2-3 months when you start seeing the changes and when you start enjoying meditation. The very basic form of meditation is guided meditation, and that's how I started. But now I just go, I sit there and I focus on my breath. This could also be very cliche, but I'll just say it again, because to be in the present is the best state to be in, and that's what meditation helps you do. Because you must have heard कि अगर आप future के बारे में सोचते हो, you get anxious. If you live in the past, you get depressed. So to be in the present is the best state to be in. It is the most productive state to be in. Enjoying the weather with my apple. A very good start to the day. मैं भी नानी के घर आया हूँ. आपको पता ही होगा पिछला vlog if you have watched. I am in Ludhiana. And जैसे कहते हैं ना, नानी के घर आओगे मोटे होके जाओगे. So वही सीन है अभी, because I've been eating थोड़ा unhealthy and the schedule is also off routine right now. But it's good. I'm enjoying here. Very good apple. But meditating or meditation is one hidden gem which all of us have in our lives, which is undiscovered till the point we start doing it dedicatedly and consistently. ज्ञान वाली बातें बहुत हो गई, अब चलते हैं.
Outside those walls, there's an ocean. I can't swim, especially with all these waves. I'm walking in pride, trying to solve my problem. Through the night, finding pride. Moonlight Sonata. I tried it tonight, but you see the in my eyes. Tell her that I'm high, but she don't seem surprised. Walking in pride, trying to solve my problem. Through the night, finding pride. Moonlight Sonata. I tried it tonight, but you see the in my eyes. Tell her that I'm high, but she don't seem surprised. Baby, I realize the ride. Roll up, hold tight, take a left, turn right. GPS don't work, can't see at night. So it's getting hard to drive. Anxiety to stoplight. Hard to think, easy to cry. Something's not right. When the pain was fun time, supermodel. Remember that one time, everything was all.
बाहर बहुत ही ज़्यादा धूप थी, सो रेस्ट ऑफ दिस आई ईट हेयर एंड साथ साथ आई एम वॉचिंग द शॉर्ट्स आई टुक. ऑल ऑफ अस आर गोइंग टू द पार्क राइट नाउ. मेरे छोटे छोटे कजन्स एंड एवरीबडी. कौन सा लगाऊं?
आइसक्रीम.
अच्छा.
आइसक्रीम खिलाना बस.
बेलीची नागिन निघाली मुन्नावर डोळा लागला बेलीची नागिन निघाली.
पार्क पहुंच गए हैं एंड दिस इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल. यहाँ पे भी एक साइकिल है एंड मेरे कज़न्स की साइकिल घर से आ रही है गाड़ी में. आई थिंक वील साइकिल अगेन. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन. मॉर्निंग गाइस. अभी सो के उठा हूँ मैं. अभी सोने से पहले दिन में we played so much. I overexerted myself. We played kabaddi. We had races. हमने arm wrestling खेली. We went for cycling. And we played badminton. तो बड़ा मज़ा आया. And फिर मैं सो गया. अभी उठा हूँ. I didn't vlog all of that क्योंकि मम्मा के फ़ोन की बैटरी ख़त्म हो गई थी. So अभी we'll have dinner. And I think that's pretty much it. It was a really fun day. I hope you all liked the cycling B-roll. चलो मिलते हैं guys. Till then do whatever you want. Bye bye.